The moment we have all been waiting for and praying for is finally here. The interest rates have been dropping, guys. Last week we were sitting about 6.675% interest rate fixed for 30 years for first-time buyers buying their primary home. But today, Monday, we are about 6.0 or up to 6.125 depending on your credit score interest rate fixed for 30 years for first-time buyers looking to buy their primary home. It is a reduction essentially of about 0.5% interest rate. Now take this as a notification and as a sign that if you are still waiting in the sidelines for rates to continue to come down to buy your property, that is the wrong strategy, guys. Because if this effectively continues to happen, a huge amount of buyers are going to re-enter the market and buy a lot of real estate, pushing prices to go up exponentially like we've seen in the last couple of years. So we already know this can happen again. So if you're in the sidelines waiting, I highly recommend you start taking action now to look and purchase your property. But if you are actively looking for your property, I recommend you speak to your lender to see how they can improve the rates they have already quoted you on, because rates did effectively go down. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Go out and get yourself a property before prices shoot up once again. If you want to know how to get started, all you got to do is send me a message at 305-439-6211 so we can show you beginning to end how you can get started on this home buying process. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.